let's see what happens when we put this marshmallow in the refrigerator. We are going to put it for about 8 seconds. Sorry, the light doesn't work. Sorry, the light doesn't work because it's just kind of crashed or something. Nope, it's still good. Something's heavy. What the?
Won't go on.
All smooth. It's on my finger. It's on my finger. Oh, squishy. Okay. Next. Oh, it's still squishy and hot. Ouch. Still hot. Oopsies. Looks like it's clear. Oh, let's see.
Oh, this is so good.
Let's see. Still squishy. Let's just wait for it till it can be a... Okay. Got bigger and bigger. Still got big. It's big and it's still squishy. Let's see what happened to it now. It's big, it covered the entire plate.
Hey, don't do too much.
Sort of. Now let's see what happens. Stop at 2. Now what the hey? It's so big. It's so big it covered the entire plate. Even though it's too hot, don't think. Now this is how it looks like. It's giant. Also, it's so big. Well, that's what happens when you put a marshmallow in the mic. Okay, it's so hot, but I'm going to carry it. I'm going to carry it. Okay, sorry. I am going to carry this thing to... Ouch! This is how it looks like with marshmallow. It's so hot here. Anyway, that's what happens when you put a marshmallow inside the microwave. Big ones. Bye.